everyone, this is Steadfast2277. Welcome to the channel. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up CarPlay in my Camry. I have another video if you want to check it out in my Dodge pickup truck as well. You can get these with multiple things. I got this off Amazon for 10 bucks. Like I said, you can get them with multiple things in them. I just wanted it for my CarPlay. This is what the video is about. How you get the two USB ports right here, and then this plugs off of the back of the radio, the supplied wire that comes from the radio. This plugs right into those connectors, and then this is what will run through here. You can put it wherever you want. I'm gonna put it inside my glove box where you can't see it, but it's still gonna look factory. Or you can take it, you can put it up right around here, right beside this 12 volt if you want. You can drill right into that. You're not gonna see any of the bad cuts that you're gonna create just because of the face of this is larger than the body. So once you put it in there, it's gonna hide if there's any bad cuts. And so that it stays in there firmly, there's gonna be a nut that comes right off the back of this. That's going to screw, you're going to feed it right through, and it's going to screw around, and that's going to smush it against whatever surface that you apply it to. If you'd like to just have it exposed, there is this plastic housing that you can slide the wires through and then smush it, and then there's screws that are supplied. Then you'll go through there and you can slide it up and down that way. The screws are supplied. Another thing that comes with this kit, here's another one of those nuts. I'm going to use this one because it has a flat surface, so it's going to have better contact, I like to think, than this one. This is a little bit smaller surface, it's a lot larger. But it also comes with a cover just like this from the factory. Just it's rubber, so it's going to slide right on over it, and it's just going to pop right on just like so, just to cover it up so that no debris gets in there. So what I'm going to put is I'm going to put it right here in the glove box where you can't see it. You can put it up on the face here. You can put it up anywhere you really want in the vehicle. But for this car, this Camry, you're going to want to lift up the center console and then lift up the e-brake as well. And you're going to come in here and you're just going to lift it up like this. For this car, there is no screws that in the process where I'm going to be doing it. You want to be very careful because it is plastic, and plastic breaks. So once you finish that, you're gonna remove that, you can take that, you can put that down to the side, and it opens this up. This is a perfect time, if it's dirty, just to clean it out. I'm gonna have to do it anyways. You want to do this after, because once you drill, all that material is just gonna go right down into there, and you're just gonna wanna clean it out. For my car, like I said, some vehicles are gonna have screws that you're gonna need to take off, so you wanna make sure that you look up, research the screws in your vehicle, or just look around. Once you've drilled it, remember, you take your time doing it, keep pulling through, testing it. You want to make sure that this is on first. You just bring it through the wires, snap it on this way, it doesn't go on over it. You're going to want to make sure that these are lined up straight when you go ahead, and you're going to want to just push it right through. I did mine a little firm. Clean up the edges around the sides just so that you don't see any of that stuff along the outside. Then you're gonna take the end piece here. You're gonna get the nut that you want, that they came with it, and you're just gonna feed it through like so. Bring it down, and you're just gonna screw it on yourself. just enough so that it's tight. So for Toyota Camrys, you're going to want to unclip this piece here. You're just going to work your way around. So you might want to use a plastic trim piece to get in there so you don't damage the plastic. I was able to just push this part down here, get my fingers in there, and pry it out. Just want to work your way all around. Be very careful, it is plastic. Once you remove this, you're going to have, this is going to separate. You're going to have all these wires and cables in the back on both of them. You're just going to want to make sure that you carefully disconnect them. Okay, to get this cable out, run it through to the position where you want it. You're going to want to remove this. You're going to take the key, you're going to put it in an accessory. Make sure you have the e-brake up if you're on a hill. Just use the e-brake no matter what. Take it, put it all the way down as far as it can go, and just remove this. Make sure nothing's in there. It's just going to make a pain. Like most things, once you remove it, they are held in by something electronic. This is for the power outlet there. Like most of these, there are little clips. You just push and it releases just like so. Put that aside. What you're gonna do is take your fingers up in there. You're gonna pull it right on down. Most of these radios do come with two for the CarPlay. The Kenwood just comes with one. My other video that I did this in my truck, the JVC, it came with 2 cords just for the Android and for the Apple. So once you record it, once you connect it, something's gonna pop up at the screen as, you know, allow CarPlay to work and all that stuff. You know, click allow, and then this is gonna pop up as well. CarPlay will pop up on the phone of the screen, and then this will pop up as well. So now that you know that it all works, you can test it out, everything like that, make sure it works good, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna connect everything, bolt it all back in. Like I said, perfect time since you made a mess for drilling. You're gonna go ahead and you should vacuum out the inside of your car, especially down in the compartment, before you put all that back on, and then put everything back up. Now once everything is put back, looks completely stock, like nothing happened, and then I put my stuff back in here, but you can see looks completely stock, looks good, and then all you gotta do is just take it. You know, the radio should work properly as well, and then you just plug in. Then you just plug in your phone, and then the CarPlay will come up. So check out my other video for the truck CarPlay and then this CarPlay, both done on separate systems. One's a Kenwood, one's a JVC. Please smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Like, comment below. I'm Steadfast 2277. Take care. Have a great day.